Hello, fruit friends. Today I'm going to be testing out another fruit tool, the apple tool. Shout out to Wit the Librarian. All right, here we go. I think it's pretty self-explanatory how this thing is done. So let's just place apple tool above apple. Center the circle of the apple tool on the center middle part of the apple, the core. Apply pressure to the tool. Apply downward pressure to the tool and push through the apple core and all. Push all the way through until you hit the bottom. And then you can push the core with your thumb and any other stuck pieces with your thumb out of the tool. And there you have a cut apple. And there you have it, apple and peanut butter.